Jess here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to make a little cute but also sexy DIY, and it's the crop top I'm wearing right now, but I transformed it from a men's shirt, and if you don't believe it, let me show you how I make it. But wait, did you subscribe yet? If not, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you wouldn't miss my upcoming DIY. And let's start! Here's the men's shirt before the transformation. I use a short sleeve XL size men's shirt in polka dot printing. The first step is removing the front pocket. After that, I unsew the seam at the hand part. However, don't unsew all of them. Keep a small one at the armpit area. I'm drawing a horizontal line under the armpit. Then from that line, I'm drawing another line at 6 cm upper. From the second horizontal line, I'm drawing another line at 20 cm under it. 20 cm is the width of my breast, so you can make it bigger if you want. After that, I connect two ends of the second horizontal line to the middle of the first line, which is the button area. From the middle of the first line, I mark at 10 cm under it. Then connecting to two ends of the third horizontal line, and we will have the main crop top after cutting. I connect the front of the crop top at the middle first. Then I overlock the whole crop top to protect the cutting lines. At the top of the front, I'm making a loose seam to create a puffy there. Make sure the width of the top in the end has to be 24 cm, which is the width between two breasts. I use a long rectangle with 3 cm width and 26 cm length to hem the top. I connect the rectangle to the top of the front first, then making the first seam. After that, I fold the rectangle 2 times to hide the end fabric inside and make the second seam to finish the neck area of the crop top. Now I'm connecting two ends of the neckline to the sleeve. At the back of the crop top, I use a small elastic band to gather the fabric together to make it fit my body. measure the width of the fabric I need to fold in to create the fabric hole first. Then I use a small safety pin to move the elastic band through it later. Make sure the width of the back have to be the same with the width of the front, which is 24 centimeters. I sew two ends of the back to the sleeve after that. Moving to the sleeve, I use the other elastic band with the same width to create the puff sleeve for the crop top. I make the fabric hole first, then putting the elastic band through it later. It's quite similar to what I did to the back of the crop top. Make sure the width of the sleeve should be around 13 centimeters, which is the width from the shoulder to the upper breast. Then sew two ends of the elastic band to fit it there. At the end of the sleeve, I want to create a puffy there too, so I unsew the current seam first. Then I fold the end 2 times inside later and sewing. From the end of the sleeve, I draw a line at 5 centimeters inside. Then I use a small rectangle with 2 cm width and 30 cm length to create the fabric hole there. After that, I put the elastic band through the fabric hole and sew 2 sides of the sleeve to finish it. at the end of the back. I'm doing the same at the top of the back. However, the length of the elastic band will be around 34 centimeters, which is a half of the under bust size. Then connect two ends of the back to the sideline. At the end of the front, I'm making a loose seam first, then pulling the thread together the fabric together until it's around 34 centimeters, which is a half of my under bust size. I use the leftover fabric of the men's shirt to cut the long rectangles with 12 cm width. After connecting the rectangles together to have a long one, I connect it to the end of the front. Remember to connect at the middle of the rectangle, so you can have the extra fabric at two sides of it. After the first seam, I fold the rest fabric of the rectangle inside 2 times to hide the cutting and make the second seam to finish the tie. The last step is making a short seam at the middle of the tie, so it can create a V-line at the end of the front crop top. And I finished this DIY. Here's my final result. This crop top is cute and sexy at the same time. It matches perfectly with my white leg pants. I hope you like this idea and try it out. Subscribe to my channel to check my other DIYs. See you next week!